Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Position of laryngoscopy. Laryngoscope is put by extension of the at the atlanto-occipital joint and flexion at cervical spine. This is called as morning sniffing position. This is the position for laryngoscopy. So, position of laryngoscope is by extension of atlanto-occipital joint and flexion of cervical spine. So, this is called as morning sniffing position, where the laryngoscope can be located with the help of this position. Can be inserted with this morning sniffing position.
thank you and thank you for watching.